Hi and welcome to Inaya Pearls. This is Imrana and Inaya Pearls is my online brand of jewelry, and we deal with real and freshwater pearls and also semi-precious stones. So, the reason I've started this channel is because apart from my interest in jewelry, I love to help women look beautiful and feel beautiful. So, we talk about topics such as makeup and skincare, jewelry and styling and inner confidence as well. So, if you are interested in all these topics, then please continue, and please remember to like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. So, let us get on. So, today we are talking about a very interesting topic, and also I guess it is one of the most common ones. As we know, this month is full of festivals. So, let us talk about how do we get a lovely glowing skin in this festive season with simple do it yourself home care tips. So, let us get into it. But as you know, I love jewelry. So, before we start, I just want to talk about what I am wearing today. So, if you can see, I am wearing these pearl earrings. Now, some of you may be surprised because the impression of pearl is usually, oh okay, they are round, but these are called actually Baroque pearls, and these are some very nice fancy dressy earrings. I will put in a picture so you can have a closer look, and this is what I have used. So, since these earrings are large, I am not doing anything more for today's look. So, if you are interested in all this, do visit our website inayapearls.com. Now, let us get into the topic for the day. So, I will give you 3 face packs here, which are very simple, very easy, and they are tried and tested, and they definitely make a difference. So, do continue to watch, and also please make a note of what I am going to be sharing with you. So, the first one is the milk face pack. So, what you need is 2 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon besan or gram flour, as it is called. Just mix all of these and make a paste of it and apply it on your face, and keep it on for around 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and after that wash it off with slightly warm, lukewarm water. Now, milk is rich in fat, protein, and also it gives a very good glow to the face, and also vitamin C and calcium. These two are also the properties of milk, and all of these together give you a lovely glowing soft smooth skin. So, you can do this twice a week, you do not have to do it every day. So, I would suggest in the week before any of the festivals coming up, just do it like a week before. So, you can do it like 2 times in that week. So, the next option that I have, the next face pack that I have is to do with a ripe banana and also milk again. So, banana is a rich source of vitamins A, B, C and E, and also minerals like phosphorus, and all of these are really good for our body as well as our skin. So, what you do is take a ripe banana and mash it up and mix it with milk. After you mash it up, just add about 2 teaspoons of milk, and also you will need an ice cube here. So, first you mash up the banana, apply it on your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes, and after that wash it off with regular temperature water, and then at the end just take a face cube and just kind of apply it all over your face. That will really give you a very nice cooling effect. And an interesting thing to note here, that this banana face pack is actually very good for lightening your blemishes. So, all of these face packs that I am giving you are great for glowing skin, but the banana especially has the quality of skin lightening. So, it will really lighten your blemishes, and again you can do this twice a week. That should take care of it. And the next one is again a very easy to do face pack for you, and that is to do with yogurt. So, you take yogurt, about 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt and grated cucumber. So, it can be just like depending on the size of the cucumber, You could take, if it's a big cucumber, take half, or if you could take a small one if it's available. So just grate the cucumber, mix it with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and beat it nicely, and then apply it on your face, and leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I would say anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. 10 is probably a little better. And then wash it with cold water. And cucumber is known for cooling and refreshing the skin, and also takes care of reducing swelling on your skin, and it totally rejuvenates and regenerates dull skin. So this particular the cucumber face pack, you can do it 3 to 4 times, 3 to 4 days, every 3 to 4 days you can repeat. So all, whichever you like, you can try all of them, or whichever ones you like, you can try them, and these are really tried and tested, and they do leave a glow on your face. But the thing to remember is that anything needs to be done consistently. So maybe what you can do is, for one whole month you try one of the packs, and then the next month you can try the other pack, and so on. So these are all good for mostly all skin types. So that's why I'm not talking about the skin types here. These are generally good for all skin types. They're very easy to do, easy to make and use packs. So here's wishing you a beautiful, glowing, festive month for all the festivals that are around the corner in this month. Hope you have a great month ahead. Do enjoy, practice making these face packs and using them, and do leave the results in the comments. I would be happy to see what worked for you and what was your experience. Again, and as usual, the drill: if you like whatever you've seen here, or whatever you've heard in this particular episode, please do like, share and subscribe, and do remember to visit our website as well. Thank you for now. Have a great day ahead, and see you again soon.